Hey guys, let's now solve the question number 5. The question states that a metal crystallizes in a face-centered cubic structure. If the edge length of its unit cell is A, the closest approach between two atoms in metallic crystal will be. So let's start with the things which are given to us. So first thing which we can observe from this image is in the triangle A B C, it is satisfying the condition 2a square equal to 16r square, and we have to find the value of r. So what we can simply do it that a square equal to 8r square, that implies r square equal to a square by 8, and from here the value of r will come out to be a upon 2 root 2. Now we got the value of r. Now we have to find the closest distance, that is the approach. So for that, the distance is simply 2r. This is our distance, and here we can simply put the value of r here, that is a upon 2 root 2. 2 gets cancelled out, and we receive the value of r. Let's just say the value of t, that comes out to be a upon root 2. And if we look closely, option 2 is the correct one.